about it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay.
Hi guys, I feel like I owe a bit of an apology. I have been neglecting this channel, in turn, which means that I have been neglecting you guys. It also made me realize that I've also been neglecting myself. I believe this is a good time to really look into ourselves and figure out what it is that really we want in life, what makes us happy, what makes us tick, if you will. And I realized I enjoy creating content. Hands down, that's it. However, this video today is going to be all about drones. Now, I'm not a drone expert by any means, by any fashion, in any way, shape, or form. However, I do have two drones. I have the Mavic Mini currently, and I also have the Spark. I am planning on selling the Spark. So, is this a review? Yeah, sure. Yeah, let's call it that.
You might be giving yourself credit for it. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. Because you're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
So I got the drone stuck in the tree. This is going to be a task for me.
By using the laws of physics, I have retrieved an electronic device. Well, now to see if it works still. Look at this thing. This looks a little bit bruised, doesn't it?
It turns out that the Mavic Mini does not allow for active track, which is, I don't know, it might be a bit of a game changer for me because I like to do a lot of hands-free shooting, you know? I mean, let's compare it though in terms of visuals. What's up, kids? I find myself in a bit of a predicament. I have to admit, I love the active track of the Spark, and it sucks that the Mini doesn't have it. Because honestly, if the Mini had it, it would be hands down the Mini. The way it flows, just the way it's so responsive with the controller and everything. I don't know how else to explain it. Not that the Spark isn't. You know, the Spark is actually really nice as well, but the way the Mini just feels is just so smooth, and it's fast, it's light. I think at the end of the day, how often am I going to be using active track? You know? How much does that matter to me? It still has the other functionalities. You know, you can do the rocket, you can do the spiral, you can do the helix. Is active track the definitive factor to make me want to keep the spark. You know, when this incident just happened right now, I was like, wow, the universe does not want me to make any kind of content. That's it. I just spent $3.99 on a drone just to throw it away. The universe does not want me to make content. And then I realized, wait a minute, a better story couldn't have been written. Well,